Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python from HackerRank. First, create a free account on HackerRank to access a vast library of coding challenges. Navigate to the Prepare section and select Python as your language. Begin with the easiest problems to grasp fundamental concepts like variables, data types, and basic operations. Carefully read each problem statement and analyze the provided example inputs and outputs before attempting to write any code. This approach ensures a solid understanding from the start. As you progress, focus on mastering core Python concepts. HackerRank offers challenges specifically designed for data structures such as lists, tuples, and dictionaries. You'll also find numerous problems to solidify your understanding of control flow, including for and while loops and if-else statements. Don't forget to practice defining and calling functions, which are crucial for modular code. Some advanced problems even introduce basic object-oriented programming principles. Once you've grasped the fundamentals, move on to more advanced Python techniques. HackerRank features challenges on complex algorithms and data structures, such as trees and graphs, which are essential for competitive programming. Make sure to utilize the discussion forums. They are a goldmine for learning different approaches and optimizing your code. Participating in coding contests is an excellent way to test your problem-solving abilities under pressure and improve your speed. Continuous learning is key to becoming proficient in Python. Regularly engage with new HackerRank challenges to reinforce your understanding and discover new problem-solving patterns. Don't limit yourself to one category. Explore various domains like algorithms, data structures, and even database challenges. Applying the knowledge gained from HackerRank to personal coding projects will provide invaluable practical experience and solidify your skills. Always strive to stay updated with the latest Python features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.